Hello friends, I am going to unbox the Portronics product RuffPad 8.5. It is quite nice. It called rewritable LCD pad also. They are saying it can save many trees, good help for student, eco-friendly writing pad, and yes, you can write unspoken words. Let's open it. It comes with preferable finishing, a quite hard one-click erase button, a smooth plastic pen, and 4 magnetic stickers. You can affix it on any fridge or almirah. Let's draw and write some words.